Hey everybody, Monica here from O'Reilly Auto Parts to show you how to change the cabin air filter in a 2010 to 2015 Toyota Prius. Before I get into that, take a second to subscribe to our channel if you haven't already so you don't miss out on any of our new content. Today I'll be changing the cabin air filter in this 2014 Prius C. And procedures will be similar for a lot of Prius models from 2010 to 2015, but be sure to know the specifics for your vehicle before getting started. If you are not completely comfortable doing this yourself, we'd be happy to recommend a professional technician in your area. Once you've got your supplies together, here's what you'll do. Open your front passenger side door and empty your glove box. Slip the dampener off the post on the passenger side of the box, press in on the sides of the glove box to release it from the stops. Now you should be able to disengage the hinges and lift the whole thing out of the way completely. You'll see a cabin air filter cover with clips on either side. Press in on the clips and remove the cover. Slide the old filter out, make sure there's no dust or debris inside the housing. Install your new cabin air filter in the same orientation, with the airflow arrow pointing up. Replace the filter cover, making sure the clips snap into place on both sides. Lift the glove box into place and re-engage the hinges at the back of the assembly. Press in on both sides of the glove box to slip it past the stops. Reattach the dampener, replace anything you took out of your glove box, and close it. And that's it! You'll find everything you need for this and other jobs at your local O'Reilly Auto Parts store or O'ReillyAuto.com. Our how-to videos are designed to help answer questions we get in our stores every day. If you found this one helpful, subscribe to our channel to get all the latest. We'll see you again soon!